All right, quick one here. So, I mean, you might be wondering on how to actually turn off your Nintendo Switch here. So, not just to turn off the screen, but you actually want to shut it down. And if you're wondering on how to do that, now there is an added step if you have the Gen 1 Nintendo Switch, which is the one right here that we can see. I mean, if you can see here at the top, there is a power button. Now, normally when you press it once, and if it's already powered on, you should see the screen come on, and then if you press it one more time, you'll see that the screen goes black. Now the process in order how to turn this actually off to completely shut it down so you can conserve that battery life if you're not going to be playing and you want to come back later on to actually power it back on so you can actually utilize that battery life on it. You would need to actually shut it down, and in order to do that you want to unlock the screen one more time by pressing this button right here, and at this point, you want to hold that in for a couple of seconds. So you want to hold that in for 1, 2, 3. And you should see this menu appear here, which gives you a couple of options. The first option is you simply want to just put into sleep mode, which means it's not actually shut down. You should be able to just turn it back on by simply pressing that power button here on the top just once, and then that should reopen um, the display immediately for you. By doing this process, it's actually in sleep mode, and when it wakes up, it's basically using your battery here in the background, so that'll be slowly draining throughout the day. Now, if you want to conserve that, you want to make sure you don't lose any battery life if you're not using this thing, you would need to actually turn it off. In order to do that, you want to press this one more time. The screen will appear. Now you want to hold that in again for 3 seconds. We have 1, 2, 3, and then we should see this appear now. And once we can see that, okay, here, try again one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here we go. What you want to do is you want to simply click on power options here, and you should see two options. You got the first option to restart, which is not something we want. We want to turn it off. So you want to turn it off, you want to click on power off. Now if you press that, you should see this thing turn off, and you'll see a spinner for a few seconds, and then you have this thing completely turned off now. Now, if you're not using this, it's actually conserving that battery life. So whatever percentage you left it at, 80%, it means when you turn it back on, it should be on 80% again. And in order for you to turn it back on, all you have to do is just hold the power button here for 1, 2, 3 seconds. And then you should see Nintendo appear on that, and you should be back into your Nintendo console here. It's obviously not as quick as when you resume from sleep mode, but the problem with sleep mode is it's actually consuming battery in the background when it's not in use. So yeah, there you have it. I hope that was helpful. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment section. And until next time, peace out.